truck drivers aba nibagira ngu ku rugo rw'okubanza orw'esandeegi bakemerezibwa aha nsharo obutataho mu Uganda batakamanyira amagara gaabo okugemerire ekiryo ky'akabi kahango okwerundanira aha mwanya ogwo.
Ekyokukebera eyo nsonga nkulu era naffe tugiganyuddwamu kubanga obulamu bwaffe, naye ekyokulinda results wano tekituyamba yadde n'akatono kubanga result bakukeberera wano ne bazitwala e Kampala. Ate jjukira waliyo n'abalala be bakeberera eyo si ffeffeka. So katogenda kwesanga ng'ebintu biruddeyo obirindira wano tebijja, bagamba nti bajja kusindika message ku simu tetuziraba, kwegamba ebintu biri wano bitulemeredde naffe bitusobedde.
Marama Hills n'ensharo ya Uganda, Rwanda hamwe na Tanzania kandi by'amaguzi okuruga mu ihanga nka Congo, Burundi, Rwanda nebirabira aha nsharo egi ekiri kureetera omwijurrano gw'ebimotoka baba bategereriza okumanya okubemerire aha karwire ka COVID-19.
What has included the volume of work is basically that part of the clearance of the drivers, because most of them, your ticket to enter into Uganda, you should show a document or health actually should clear you that you're fit to enter Uganda. Now, majority of them don't have the results. So these are some of the issues my colleagues are saying that some had them on phone but they deleted the messages.
Abo kuba ko kuza kutwara samples ezi driver kwa kusimbura hasha 12 n'ekicweka twamara kumuhereza samples z'abantu abutwa zihaho yaza kuzitwara kuzisa Kampala nabana hiko shamushanju zekiro hato ndijo nawe nabana agaruka mu kashesha ari kucera kimanyisa ngo samples ezo tibakaziceberaho bakazireteraho hati kimanyisa ngo abantu aba driver nibaza kumaraho ubwire buringo.
Abebembezi bashabirwa kukwatanisa n'abantu aba ahabwo kuba nabakora umurimo muhango okureta eby'obushubuzi ebiri kuretera ihanga entasya okurabira mu mishoro
cyane kibasi koko noyongu sentence zitunga nkoku ihanga rituru kugeza habindi tugire byoma byo kutestinge ngeshagama n'abantu bari kubasa kukikora abintu manyirivu abakubasa kutestinge shagama driver kwareje umuyeshagama bagitestingira aha bamuhereze results byargama
nambwe no mukimanya esande hoire ariho umuntu wabere truck driver na ruga Rwanda tukamu interceptingira aha aba security bamwemerereza aha twacoordinatinga nabe byamagara barugambarara ba leta ambulance beja bine protective gear bajoyire nkabatendeki omuntu ogwo bakamutwara hatari mu treatment center eyambara munara guzibwa.
Orukure kitongore cyo kushoroza emishoro echa Uganda Revenue Authority URA aha boda ya Rwanda na Uganda nagira ngo COVID-19 eteganise by'emishoboro.
On average you have been collect prior to the closure of the on average you could collect monthly between 1.2 to 1.5 billion for the station alone. That was before the closure. Now we are averaging between 1.2 to 1.5.